across to Abhishek and Aishwarya as well. Abhishek and Aishwarya. Abhishek and Aishwarya. You know, I have the two parts right behind me. I will quickly go across to Abhishek and Aishwarya. Abhishek, to you first. But I just want to show the two snapshots, parts of the report, parts of the 7-page report that was hidden. Message. Look at this. 25 को नया चैनल ले रहा हूँ मैं तो उसका भी एडवांस पेमेंट कर दूंगा. Message by contact person. I've cloaked the number here. I've hidden the number. Says send me the name and person of the India TV. Message by Vishal. Ganesh, India Today. Any issue, call me. I will send him. The report also says on the 17th of June 2020, Vishal visited BARC office at Parel and met Hansa operations manager. Speaks about how Mr. Vinay asked him to approach the 5-panel homes in Mumbai. Asked them to watch India Today daily for 2 hours. Abhishek, I have the full 7-page report here, which I have taken the key parts and I've highlighted, and I'll go through and put out the full reports. But they expose India Today left, right, center. Now I want to know if BARC and India Today conducted this investigation. BARC and Hansa conducted the investigation, right? Hansa yesterday in the CEO, in the statement has said, along with BARC, they conducted an investigation and then they filed the FIR. They have an investigation conducted. They have witness accounts and they filed the FIR. How in the world did that FIR and the 7-page report turn into a witch hunt against Republic? Abhishek.
Niranjan, what we are seeing is the most conceited and organized witch hunt by the Mumbai police, overlooking these facts that are emerging now. Now it's clear with this Hansa report that the investigation was actually against India Today. The organized crime, criminal conspiracy, breach of trust, everything, all the charges that have been leveled against Republic TV by a motivated Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh for actually, as can be seen from this report, originally made against India Today for manipulating the BARC data, and that's how the complaint reached the police. The police, because it is held by Parambir Singh, who has motivations against the Republic Group, has overturned this complaint and based on a confession which can be extracted by police by whatever means we know, has turned this complaint again into a witch hunt against Republic TV. This report really calls the bluff of that press conference that was carried out by Parambir Singh and the subsequent investigation that is being called, and the manner in which the advertisers of Republic Group are being targeted and called to kind of threaten them to make sure that they don't advertise. It's out in public domain. I hope the judiciary would be taking note of it when the matter goes to court. But what is important is that this report has called the bluff of that press conference and the charges that have been made against Republic TV.
Now, Aishwarya, we're still trying to fathom. So there is an agency that conducts an investigation and has the testimonies. And this agency goes to the police and trusts the police with the investigation. And the police, what the police decides is, in this case, Parambir Singh, I'm not blaming the entire police. Parambir Singh decides that we will do something else. They have witnesses on record. And then the witnesses, they say there is absolutely no evidence. They say there is no evidence against India Today. What in the world is going on?
Niranjan, first thing is first, the viewers should know this is the report. This is the Hansa report which Parambir Singh and the India Today group were trying to hide. And we have brought this report out. If you remember in that press conference, the Parambir Singh statement was all based on Hansa report, Hansa report. This is the Hansa report, which names India Today, and they both were trying to hide. Nothing else was being done because they knew exactly who has been named in this report.
Yes.
So what's happening is that they were trying to shoot and scoot. They were trying to hide this report. But we have brought this report out in front of the public, in front of the viewers, in front of India, in front of the complete Bharat. They need to decide. The people will see and decide for their own. They can see through this malicious attempt on part of Parambir Singh and then this India Today group, on whom allegations have been made, not only by Hansa but also by BARC and also in that FIR. But despite that, Parambir Singh not only chose to send a reporter out but also chose not to mention them. And now to cover his back, Now to cover these blanks, he says that he will call the officials of the other channels as well. No, you did not name them in that press conference deliberately because you thought that these documents will not come out. He thought that he will use his clout. He thought that he will use his clout as the Mumbai Police Commissioner and will put this report, this Hansa, very significant Hansa report to bay. But that is not the case. Both this channel and Parambir Singh, who were trying deliberately to put this report at bay, have failed. And the truth is out for everyone to see. Whose name, which channel has been mentioned.
Aishwarya.
Yes.
Remember the big words of Mr. Parambir Singh when he held that news conference? Actually, we were all watching that news conference to see what he'll come up with.
I do.
I remember every word that he said, Rhythm. I remember every word that he said. And you know what he said? Let me tell you where he was reading from. Let me show you where he was reading from. Right? I have the report here. Hold on. Let me tell you where he was quoting from. This report, it goes on to talk about in great detail, Rhythm. Message by contact person, send me the name and the number of the person of India TV. Message by Vishal Ganesh, India Today, any issue, call me, I will send him. And then they talk about the money. Talking about the money, he says Vishal received a call from someone. When I asked him to approach the 5 panel homes in Mumbai and asked them to watch India Today television for 2 hours. I mean, this report is naming them, but the report also goes on to say in great detail. I want to read out. Remember what Parambir Singh said about what? You know, the big talk, Rhythm. The big talk. They said 40,000 crore. 40,000 crore. And that this is proceeds of crime. That viewers are cheated. The big words that they use. Viewers are cheated. 40,000 crore. They lied about ratings. This is how they fake the ratings. This is how they cheat the people. This is how advertisers are cheated. For God's sake, you know where that came from? I'll read it out. From the report, Abhishek, from the report prepared in September. I want to read that report from September. The report said that increase in TRP ratings for any channel program leads to an increase in their advertising revenue. Hence, some of these persons try to increase the ratings by making panel homes watch their channels against payment of money and thereby manipulating the viewership of the paid panel homes and also tampering with the barometers also. Listen to this. They said loss is caused to BARC. Media planning is affected. Appropriating advertisement budgets of advertisers done purely on basis of TRP ratings generated by BARC. A manipulated TRP rating results in several advertisers to part of huge sum of money to undeserving channels, therefore causing unlawful losses. They also said loss caused to BARC, that the integrity of the data released by the complainant comes under serious cloud. Remember the big words that Parambir Singh used? I remember. He also said loss caused to advertisers. They cheated. Undeserving TV channels get a windfall of unlawful gains and unjust enrichment by interference in the panel house and thereby causing loss to deserving channels and advertisers. They also said that general public is cheated. General public in the state is concerned it is nothing but a clear case of attempt to interfere with the personal viewing habits. Who's been caught now? Rhythm? Who's been caught doing all of this? The big words about cheating people. For God's sake, I don't think Parambir Singh even knows that the entire revenue, ad revenue for English is less than 1,000 crore. He did a big talk about 40,000 crore. Rhythm?
Yes.
And the channel that was caught red-handed was not named.
And let's also tell our viewers why this becomes so crucial, Niranjan. Because the 4 points that are extremely important to mention here is why actually India Today had given money to the panel homes. And the Hansa report very clearly indicates the reason. Number one, it increases advertising revenue. At the end of the day, these channels who keep talking about high moral grounds are only worried about money, are only worried about advertisement. And this is not we saying it. This is the Hansa report saying it. The Hansa report says India Today had given bribes to increase TRPs is something that we have deduced from these particular words in point 8 of the Hansa report that has now been accessed by us. Now, why was this done? The Hansa report says it was done to increase advertising revenue. The second thing, the advertisement budget is decided only on the basis of TRP ratings that are generated by BARC. So that is the reason why Republic TV, that has been coming number 1 for many weeks in Bharat, Republic Bharat, the Hindi sister channel, as well as in English, was something that was very perturbing and troubling for for India Today. And what did they do? Advertisement budget needed to be decided on the basis of TRP ratings. To get that advertisement budget up, this particular manipulation, cheating, conspiracy had been hatched. Number 3, it is a loss to deserving channels. So basically, if they increase their particular TRP ratings, then there will be a loss to the deserving channels. And lastly, let's also tell you, for viewers, public is defrauded. This is the most important point that the Hansa report says. The viewers are defrauded because they are being fraudulently induced to watch another channels on the basis of fake TRP ratings that come out after what India Today has tried to do here. It is almost shocking that a news channel that tries to go and become the paragon of virtue and tries to show that we have high moralistic grounds is actually being caught red-handed. What is even more shocking is the connivance with the Maharashtra government, the Mumbai police, that goes forward, does a press conference, forgets the crucial and selective amnesia to mention this particular report on the basis of which the FIR has been filed against naming India Today.
If I may, Rhythm.
Yeah.
Rhythm, if I may. What has happened is that it is very clearly mentioned that the report of Hansa names India Today not one, but several times. So what happens is, now Parambir Singh thinks that how to control Arnab Goswami, how to control Republic Network. So he replaces India Today's name with Republic. But he forgets, because the truth in the SSR case, the truth of Palghar is being asked by us, not by India Today. So he needs to stop us. So what is he doing? He's replacing India Today with Republic. But he forgets that we will be able to get this report, and this is not the only report. Even in the Bach complaint, it was India Today who was fined with 5 lakhs, not us.
Yeah.
So what is happening is that Parambir Singh, it is a concoction, it is a coordinated effort between this network and Parambir Singh. Between the network which is named in this report, not once Niranjan and Rhythm, as you said, several times, and Parambir Singh. He's replacing this network with Republic's name, India Today's name with Republic, only to prevent him and also to serve his political masters. So what is happening is he's trying to hit 2 birds with 1 stone, but he forgets that the truth will come out, and truth is this, Niranjan and Rhythm, as you read out of this Hansa report, who is named, why, who's giving money, the name of the people, the witnesses, everyone has named only one network, and that is India Today.
So what happens next, Abhishek? Abhishek, now that all of this is out, now that the truth is out, they will have to do some explaining, right? Abhishek? That how was the complainant went with the FIR? I mean, imagine this, the complainant went with this report and it's actually dated September. The report is prepared in September, FIR filed on the 6th of October. Will they have to do some explaining now, Abhishek?
Niranjan, you know, a fraud has been committed and a trail has been left. The trail is in this report, the trail is in the FIR. And the fraud has been committed by the Mumbai Police Commissioner in terms of manipulating facts from this report, not reflecting this report in the FIR, and whatever was reflected in the FIR, manipulating that also so that it could fit his agenda of trying to embarrass the Republic Network and our editor-in-chief Arnab Goswami. There is a possibility of this case going to CBI, and we hope that the judiciary looks into this matter of this, criminal breach of trust, I would say, that has been committed in terms of manipulating this report and manipulating the FIR and indulging in fixing of a network at the behest of Mumbai Police Commissioner in the ongoing investigation, to the extent of putting to detriment careers of thousands of people who are employed in the network, putting to detriment freedom of expression and constitutional responsibility that we have of carrying out our work. And once the matter goes to the Supreme Court, I hope a prayer is there to make sure that the motivation and history of Mumbai Police is seen, and to that extent the investigation in the case is taken away from them.
An officer He is a man who's making a mockery of the position of the Mumbai Police Commissioner. He is a man who is defaming the whole force. The only correction could be that this man called Parambir Singh needs to be removed. He is concocting facts. This man needs to be removed. This man needs to be relinquished from his position as the Mumbai Police Commissioner. He does not deserve it.
Yeah, and let me tell you that as far as this entire report is concerned, I want to read out once again. Let's go full frame and let me read out, because a lot of people are asking what is in that report. It's a 7-page report. 7-page report filed by Hansa Research. The report is out for the first time. I'm going to read out from the report. This is the report and the finding in Mumbai district. One household in Mumbai district had confirmed frequent visits of RM Vishal Bhandari, has details of the box. I'm going to cloak the number. I don't want to reveal the number. Vishal visits the panel home regularly. He interacts with them and then directs them to watch certain channels. Despite much probing, the panel member refused to share further details. Attached herewith, copy of acceptance letter. During discussion, Vishal shared few WhatsApp communication messages with several phone numbers containing messages with the panel home members. Details of the content below. Message by Vishal, मुझे चैनल का कैश आता है. I repeat, मुझे चैनल का कैश आता है. अब वो भी नहीं लेने का सकता. Message by Vishal, Vivek is a communication with Vivek. Message by Vishal, मेरा चैनल का पे आएगा 11 या 12 को तेरे को पूरा देता हूँ. Right? This is how channel fixing is done by India Today. Let me read out. Subhash, lane 1, another household, by the way. Message by Vishal, 25 को नया चैनल ले रहा हूँ मैं, तो उसका भी advance payment कर दूंगा. That's how he was giving them advance payment for India Today. Right? So it's very easy when the Mumbai police gives you Google Pay screenshots, right? And you happily fire those Google Pay screenshots saying that 400 rupees, 500 rupees were given to Republic TV without doing your investigation. This is how you get exposed. Look at this message. Message by contact person. Send me the name and number of the person of India TV. Must be a reference to India Today. We're not sure whether it was India TV or India Today. But this message says, message by contact person. Send me the name and number of the person of India TV. Message by Vishal. Ganesh, India Today, any issue, call me, I will send him. Right? This was the complaint. This is the second part where the report says Mr. Vinay asked him to approach the 5 panel homes in Mumbai and asked them to watch India Today television daily for 2 hours. I repeat, Mr. Vinay asked him to approach the 5 panel homes in Mumbai, asked them to watch India Today television daily for 2 hours. Now please tell me who's exposed. Original report, 7 pages, names India Today again and again, in great detail including payment details, which was handed over to Mumbai police in the hope that the Mumbai police would hold and conduct a fair investigation. Turns out, there is a complete protect, shield, India Today job within hours. Let me go across to Aishwarya. Arnab Goswami is also joining us live in a few minutes, but let me go across also to Aishwarya. Aishwarya, we are hearing now that after our non-stop exposés, slowly they are starting to call India Today representatives for questioning. Is that correct? Slowly. The U-turn has begun.
Yes, that is correct. That is what we are being doing. That is what we are being told, but nothing doing. Niranjan, he only named Republic deliberately. He removed India Today's name from this complaint and he copy-pasted Republic's name. Why? Why this concoction of fact? This is legally, criminally applicable on him, and he would have to answer that in the court. He has the Mumbai police. He is on the position of the Mumbai Police Commissioner.
Aishwarya,
Parambir Singh